I'm here at Nada Adwala's office and I'm waiting for Sudhir Babu. And Sudhir Babu जो है वो साउथ के बहुत बड़े स्टार हैं and for the first time he will be seen in Baagi and he is playing the main villain in this film. So we are live here on Fame right now.
Hello.
Shy, little bit.
I'm very shy.
And how good is your Hindi? हम ये जानना चाहते हैं. मतलब क्या ये इंटरव्यू मुझे हिंदी में मिलेगा?
इंटरव्यू नहीं मिलेगा हिंदी में.
इंटरव्यू नहीं मिलेगा हिंदी में. Oh, that's sad. Like मुझे sad.
No, but I'll try because in case you're ready, in case I speak anything wrong.
Yeah. I'm there. Okay, so why not let's start this interview. बागी का कोई एक popular dialogue जो हमने ट्रेलर में अब तक देखा होगा उससे.
From the Baagi film, right?
Yeah.
Welcome, Ronnie. Let's have some fun.
Hi, Sudhir. How are you doing? Alam is asking you.
Hey, hi, Alam. How are you? I'm good.
So, how did you actually got this film?
They've seen some of my YouTube videos.
Yeah.
That's from my first film. I was a big fan of Jackie Chan. So there was a theater right next to my house. मेरे घर का बाजू ही एक theater है.
Wow, Hindi line.
उधर जैकी के इंग्लिश पिक्चर बहुत रिलीज हो रहा था.
Okay.
So अंत में रोलिंग टाइटल्स में जैकी चैन का पूरा स्टंट्स they used to put. Okay, so I used to just go watch those stunts. So with this inspiration, my first film, even though love story था, अंत में और रोलिंग टाइटल्स में डांस में कुछ स्टंट्स भी किया था. वो पूरा अंत में डाला रोलिंग टाइटल्स में. So वो देखा साबी सर ने and the team of साबी सर. So that's how they approached me and I came here and I'm here in Baagi.
And like जैसे उस वक्त साबिर बोल रहे थे कि आप पहले मतलब इतने convinced नहीं थे. You were not much convinced before.
Yeah.
So how actually he convinced you for this Raghav's character?
Initially I thought I'm going to be there in a small scene or a small fight. Okay, so I was like this because I got a call from a very big production house. So I thought I'll just come here politely tell them I can't do it from myself. But after listening to the script, even as a hero also, मैं इतना powerful character नहीं किया, कभी भी नहीं किया. So I thought it's an opportunity for me to show my skills and good scope of performance also. That's how I mean.
And what actually Sudhir thinks of the whole Bollywood industry, Hindi cinema? What do you think of?
Bollywood films are more glamorized. People love more glamorized kind of films over here. Apart from that, rest all is the same. It's like Bollywood or Tollywood or Hollywood also. All the game rules remain the same.
Same.
Yeah.
And MS Salim is asking you, how was the experience of doing your first Bollywood film?
It's superb. It's a different experience. I mean, it's definitely not as easy for me while I'm doing a Telugu film or something because the language is much more familiar. अभी हिंदी में आकर हिंदी सीखना पड़ रहा है. So there are like certain things which I've learned. My Hindi is getting better. Might be by the next film or something I'll speak properly.
Which one thing, like how did you manage to get that fab body? या जो भी हमने ट्रेलर में देखा और जो हमने AV देखा, that's amazing. You're looking amazing in
Thank you so much. It's just being disciplined and gaining some knowledge. It's one thing is important. Body is not made in the gym. It's made in your kitchen. You have to know what you're eating. If you have that knowledge, then working out comes naturally to everyone. Yeah.
So what all things you actually had during the shoot? खाने में क्या चीजें आपने खाई?
I increased my protein intake, doubled it almost. I gained by 8 kgs.
You gained?
Gained by 8 kgs.
Okay.
Because I need to look little bulkier. And at the same time more defined also. So less of fats, less of carbs, and more sessions of workouts. Yeah.
टाइगर श्रॉफ जो है उनसे मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ ऐसे जैसे वो काम करते हैं, the way he works and all, that is something else. Like what you have to see, what all things you have actually observed or you would like to tell about Tiger?
He's got one very bad habit, that's working hard. he just can't stop working hard. I don't know how a person can be made like that. Every day in the morning he works out. Even if in case he can't work out in the morning, they shoot. Then after the shoot he works out. During the shoot he keeps doing something new, some dance move or some kick he'll be learning. So he's up to doing something related to films every time. Whenever I see, the only time he's resting, I feel जब वो सोता है उसी समय शायद फिल्म के बारे शायद in the dreams also he might be thinking of films. So that's one good quality about him. And at the same time he's very grounded, very accessible. You can just go talk to him and say this is what I'm thinking, and this you need that communication in case a scene should come out really well, or a fight sequence should come out really well. You need that communication also. He's very good.
And how was Shraddha?
Shraddha is the prettiest girl I've ever worked with till date, I can say that. Before coming on to this project, before meeting Shraddha in this project, I had this impression of Shraddha being very calm, very sober, hardly talks. Might be because after seeing Ashiki 2 especially, in that film she's so good, then I thought it's a real character what she played over there, the way she played it. But for my surprise and all, on the first day she was very lively. She was a live wire.
She was just opposite. जो भी आपने सोचा था उसके
quite opposite. And the role in the film suits her to her real life. She's very like bubbly, live wire kind. Doesn't like people pulling her leg. So the character also something similar.
So what you guys actually used to do in the breaks या फिर short जब तक ready हो रहा है? So anything which you all three used to do, including Sabir?
A lot of Tiger used to tease Shraddha a lot.
Actions.
No, not tease. I mean, not
tease.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tease Shraddha a lot. They were childhood friends, so they're always talking to each other.
Thank you so much. That was Sudhir Babu from Baagi. 29th of April को film release हो रही है. Do go and watch this film.